If your cat sleeps all day and parties all night, you're definitely living with a furry DJ. Let's uncover some quirky cat secrets. Fact number 1. Cats have a special vocabulary just for their humans. That's right, those meows are specifically crafted to communicate with you. Fact number 2. Ever noticed your cat's whiskers twitching? They're not just for looks. Whiskers help your cat gauge if they can fit through tight spaces. And did you know cats have a second nose? It's called the Jacobson's organ, and it helps them smell things you can't even imagine. Lastly, your cat's purr isn't just for contentment. Purring can actually help them heal. It's like their own built-in therapy. So next time you see your kitty, remember, they're not just cute, they're fascinating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cat-tastic facts.